Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of the same old websites stuck in a social media? Well, worry not, because today we are diving into the top 5 website you absolutely need to check out in 2024. First one is Wondershare Verbo. Are you ready to create a YouTube channel without ever stepping in front of a camera? With Wondershare Verbo Online, you can build engaging professional videos powered by AI. No filming, no hassle, just creativity at your fingertips. Step 1. Start by writing your script. From news and sports to motivational content and storytelling. Once your script is ready, it's time to bring it to life. Step 2. Open Wondershare Verbo and upload your text. Verbo's advanced AI voice generation technology offers a wide selection of voices. Choose from professional, conversational, or even character-based tones to perfectly match the theme of your video. Looking to reach a global audience? Use Verbo's built-in translation tools to convert your script into multiple languages. With natural, ultra-realistic voiceovers in every language, your content will connect with viewers worldwide, breaking language barriers effortlessly. Step 4. Sync your AI-generated voiceover with visuals. Whether you're working with video clips, AI-generated images, or simple slides, Verbo integrates seamlessly into your workflow. Create motivational videos, explainer content, or even storytelling masterpieces with just a few clicks. With Wondershare Verbo, there's no need for cameras, studio equipment, or even live actors. All you need is an idea, and Verbo will do the rest, turning your text into polished professional videos with voiceovers that sound as real as you. So why wait? Start your faceless YouTube journey today with Wondershare Verbo and let AI unleash your creativity.
Logic will get you from
What
A
will
to
you
B.
create next? Link is available in the video description. Next one is RenderForce.com. This site is packed with almost all the design tools you may need. It is absolutely free to use and can be used for making animated videos, intros, logos, presentations, visualization, and also for video editing. You must bookmark this site if you are into content creation, as the site contains tools that allow you to create whiteport animation, 3D explainers, Instagram Reels, YouTube, and screen videos, and much more. It is equipped with the website building tool as well. And the next on the list is Site Inspire. If you are into website design and creation, then you must definitely check out this site. It has designs of websites for various businesses and industries, making it a good choice for website creators and designers. You can view websites according to your business and make inspiration from the designs. I already have it on my bookmark list. What about you? Let me know in the comments down below. Next on our list is Scribe Hub. With this site, you can easily create a how-to guide for any process in your Chrome browser, as it allows you to record your screen while going through any process. Install the extension, then hit record in the extension icon to record any process. You will automatically see the screenshot of various processes along with the description, which includes screenshots, clicks, and instructions. Number 7 on our list is WriteSonic.com. For those unaware, it is an AI copywriting tool that can write various emails and blog articles and can assist you in your writing. Just give with the title and language, and it automatically generates an intro after you select the intro. You can select the outro, after which you get the whole article. The quality of article that it produces is top-notch. This is super helpful for content writers out there. The next one on our list is Coolors.com. Choosing the best color for your brand may be difficult and time-consuming. So to solve this issue, we have Coolors.com, which gives you various color templates for your brand, along with templates and color. It also provides you with color names and hex codes. Just press the spacebar to get various colors. And once you look at color, it generates other matching color as well. And the next on the list is edx.org. This is one of the best online learning platforms. With instructors from the best universities and institutions, it offers courses in almost anything from cooking to coding. Most of these courses are free to learn unless you need a certificate. I often find my college courses here and learn more from here. The site has helped me to excel in my exam, and I strongly recommend you to explore it. In the last website on our list is Magic Eraser TTO. Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted to remove an unwanted object from the background of your image, but didn't have the necessary Photoshop skills? Not to worry. Because with Magic Eraser, you can remove any unwanted objects from your image easily. The site offers an interactive and easy-to-use UI. And the process is simple. Just drag and drop your photos, paint the object you want to remove, and boom. The Magic Eraser works. It's magic, so must give it a try. All the links are available in the video description, so must check it out. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.